Hey there, fellow students. Are you tired of your parents asking you for money and searching for ways to make some quickly? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to make money online effortlessly without any complicated steps. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a platform. First things first, choose a platform that suits your needs and skill set. Some popular options for students include YouTube, freelancing websites like Upwork, and Fiverr. These platforms offer various tasks such as video editing, content creation, and writing, which can be completed remotely and earn you some extra cash. Step 2. Master the skills. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to hone your skills. Study the job descriptions thoroughly and ensure you ace each task before submitting your gig. Consistency is key, so make sure to complete tasks on a regular basis. Step 3. Create engaging content. The most crucial part of any online job is its content. Make your videos interesting, informative, and easy to watch. Use high-quality equipment and invest in a good microphone to ensure your audio is clear. Don't forget to add captions for those who are visually impaired. Step 4. Promote your content. Now that you're ready to showcase your talents, share your videos on social media and other platforms to attract potential clients. Engage with your audience and respond to their comments and feedback. This will help you build a strong reputation as a skilled content creator. Step 5. Be patient. While making money online can be a lucrative venture, it's important to be patient. It often takes time to build a consistent income, and don't be discouraged if you don't make money right away. Keep working hard, and success will come. That's it, folks. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to earning some extra cash as a student. Remember, the key is to be consistent, promote your work, and have fun while doing it. Happy making money!